And we're back. And boy, do I have some disgusting crap to show y'all today. So if you're into green, slimy, snot-like byproducts of hydroponics, then this is the episode for you. So stick around and get your gag bags ready because I'm cleaning the shit out of this garden tower and you're gonna watch me. Next. And we're out. Andy, what the fuck is a gag bag? Oh, Susie, so true, so true. Hi, America. Today, I'm cleaning out the single tower of my big garden. Not the small one, the big one. So I can show you how absolutely disgusting hydroponics can be and offer you some tips on how to deal with it. The thing is, when you take some water and you add some nutrients, aka plant food, even the gross ones, and you add some artificial sunlight, you get a soupy, slimy mess that you gotta clean up because it's in your house where you sleep and you eat and you scratch your butt. Let me show you. First, I gotta remove all these past their prime kale plants. It's time to go night-night, Mr. Kale. Actually, all kale is female and named Tracy. Fun fact, based. Look at this, how the roots just totally consume this little mini reservoir thing. And they're all shit-colored and covered in green crap. Like your underwear. The roots grow into this spout thing and eventually clog it up, suffocating all the plants below it. I'm supposed to trim the roots back when they grow out of this mini reservoir thing. But what am I? Gardyn McGarden face? I ain't got time or patience or willingness to do any of that. So I just let it grow out of control and only take action when disaster happens, and it motivates me to not let my plants die. Anyway, I gotta rip this thing out, carry it to the sink, pull out, that's right ladies, the plant holder, rip the Rockwall cube out of the basket thing, throw the plant in the trash, rinse and scrape off any remaining root matter, and toss it in the dishwasher. Then repeat 10 fucking times. Yeah, scrub that shit, you little shit scrubbing freak. Get in there good. Son of a bitch. Now that I've got all the traces removed from this tower, I gotta take this stupid thing apart. First, I gotta unscrew these stupid screws where the light attaches. I gotta twist this stupid cap thing off. This is the thing that keeps the water from spraying all over my goddamn walls like a Jackson Pollock or a Private Pile or that guy from that movie where his head explodes. And you can see it's already got that green, grody, slimy gunk all caked on the rim of it. Then I gotta take this bendy, clippy thing off of the tubey thing. Then I gotta take these individual holder things off one by one and slide them over the tubey thing. Check this out. See all this greenish, brownish, gross crap? That's algae. And it grows because a tiny little bit of light makes its way in there and gives it the power. It's not bad because it's well contained, but it's the hidden cost of doing this hydroponic thing. No one likes cleaning up mess. That's why we pay disposable servants to do it for us, because we're lazy consumers. And we want our asses wiped all the time. But this is indoor gardening. Welcome to the future. Then I gotta walk it to the sink, rinse and scrape and scrub as much of the gross stuff as I can using a brush and running water. So wasteful. Then I toss it in the dishwasher because that's why Tesla invented the dishwasher, to clean individual hydroponics components so the lazy human, me, wouldn't have to. I mean, the mess isn't that bad, but it's still gross and it builds up over time. Like some of these mini reservoir things have caked on gunk, mostly from stagnant nutrient mix merging with the plastic in some kind of fucked up chemistry sex type deal. But even still, it doesn't hinder plant growth, but it can become unsightly. I've always been of the mind that aesthetics matter, especially inside your goddamn house. So this mess, I freaking hate. It's in disguise when plants are growing strong. But it takes time and money and effort and resources to clean this shit up. So take that as you will. And if you're going to take this hydroponics thing seriously, maybe invest in a good hydroponic cleaner, which can remove a lot of the algae and the brown gunk. Or don't, and let the algae take over life and grow all over your body until you merge with the nature and become some kind of twisted plant organic monster that's hell-bent on taking over the entire fucking world, the galaxy, the universe. My God, the horror of it all. Oh my God. Oh my God, what have I become? What have I become? See you next time on Hydro Solo. Here it comes, baby! The mower is gonna be gone here shortly. Hey, hello, I'm Aaron. Thanks for watching. And say, while you're here, would you do me a favor and click that subscribe button down there? And maybe the like button too, if you really like this kind of content and you want to see more of it. Go on. Go on. Go do it. It only takes 1 second. This finger right here on the mouse, click, 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 click.